So it is Tuesday, the 22nd, and I'm super excited. Today's the day. Today's my baby's ceremony. He graduates from pre-K, and then he'll start kindergarten in August. It is currently like 6:20 in the morning. I woke up before everybody else because I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm gonna do my hair real quick and makeup and stuff like that. Well, makeup, it takes like 5 minutes because all I do is powder, eyeliner, mascara, and lipstick. That's it. That's all I do. I don't do anything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and then I will keep you guys posted. You ready? Yeah? You fine?
I want juice.
You want some juice? All right, let's go get you some juice. Juan Andres, let me see your shirt. Wow. Turn around, let me see the back part. Wow, babe, that looks awesome. Go sit down with you. Yeah. All right, babe, you gotta go sit down with your friend. So quiet.
Well, we just want to start by saying that I am thankful that you guys are here. Thank you for everything you have been doing with your kids. Thank you for supporting them. Thank you for dropping them on time, picking them on time, making sure they're here every day and supporting their education, their academics. I can definitely say that it has been a pleasure for me working with all of them. They are very smart kids, very sweet, very intellectual. They have grown so much. I have seen them grow. I remember when they started here, some of them didn't even know how to, identify the names. But they have grown. They know pre-knowledge, phonological awareness, math. They're even doing like simple adding, simple subtractions, and they know how to spell the name. They know how to write it, write the last names. They're doing so good. I can definitely say that they have been blessed to be part of the BPK class because this is the foundation for them to move on, and to kindergarten and have a good academic performance. So I'm gonna miss all of them, and I can say that, they are ready for kindergarten, and this has been a wonderful, wonderful class. So thank you for your support. And I want to thank Mrs. Delgado, because if it wasn't for her, this wouldn't have been done. She has helped so much. She's a great helper. I don't know if all of you guys know her, because she started like almost 3 months ago, but she's a wonderful person, and she has contributed so much to this class too.
I get very emotional. So I'm just gonna say a little bit. I just wanna thank you all for adopting me almost at the end of the year. I'm very happy to be part of this staff, part of Laurel, and I'm very happy to be co-teacher with Miss Amaro. We are awesome. We do the best team in this school. I also would like to say that every little children has a little piece of my heart. That please, 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 if you guys see yourself in kindergarten, that you have any concerns, I know there's gonna be teachers there to help you, but you can always come back and ask for feedback from us. That's what we're here for, to make sure that they are safe, that they are secure, and that if you have any concerns, to come back to us and say, Mr. Delgado, what can I do, or Miss Amaro, and we're more than happy to receive them back. And just don't take your kids and make them come back to us. And you know, we were there, the first teacher, so we're gonna stay there.
Come back and visit.
Yes, always come back and visit. So welcome to our classroom. I hope you like the little celebration we have prepared for you guys. And just sit back and enjoy it.
Yeah.
My hands go clap, clap, clap. My hips go shake, shake, shake. My arms go hug, hug, hug. I'm happy to be together with you. Happy to be together at school.
Oh my god, he's so shy.
Twist, twist, twist. My smile goes shine, shine, shine. I'm happy to be together.
He's such a grumpy bear.
Happy to be together at school. Happy like the sun that's shining, shining all over the world. Happy like a little puppy wagon, wagging its tail back and forth. Happy like a sweet baby playing, playing peekaboo, peekaboo.
last name, their age, and they're gonna let you know that they're gonna go to kindergarten, right, my friends? You guys are gonna go to kindergarten? All right. So I'm gonna start with Preston.
My name is Preston Parker, and I'm 5 years old, and I'm going to kindergarten. Good morning. My name is Sophia Colon. I'm 4 years old, and I'm going to kindergarten. My name is Brenna. I don't want to do it.
Juan Andres Arrocha.
Go get your certificate.
Get to Juan Andres.
Go get your certificate.
Are you sure, Juan Andres?
Let's go get your
Sophia Colon. Sophia, what do you hear when I say schoolhouse? Congratulations. You ready for kindergarten? Jasmine, great. Jasmine, what do you hear when I say butterfly? Congratulations. You're going to kindergarten.
They have been so good to us. You know, they have been a blessing to us, and we have learned so much from them, and we're gonna miss them. We love them a lot, and I have always told you guys that you guys are wonderful. Okay, we love you a lot. You can always come back and visit us and talk to us when you need help and support. Okay. All right, Preston.
Andres. Hey.
Okay. So I have one here that is for being a fantastic leader, and this one goes to Adriana Rodriguez. Show it to Mama. Stand where you go, Mama.
Okay. I have one that says great kindness, and this one goes to Chloe Wiggs. Chloe, you don't have to clap. It's okay, Mama. I bring it to you. You want to hold it? Because I give it to Mommy, that's fine.
And I have one here for great curiosity. And every time there's some, oh, why is this? Oh, Miss Delgado, but why do you have that? And Miss Delgado, why is that there? This one is for Alexander Rosario. He wants to know everything.
And this one says math wise. I can tell you that this kid is amazing. He knows simple adding, simple subtraction.
Anthony!
And even
Preston.
first grade adding, second grade adding and subtraction. He's good at math, you know, and we were like, wow, he has an amazing brain.
Anthony!
He's gonna be a good math
Anthony! Want his
student.
dress?
Yes, Juan Andres. And then to Mommy.
Get your certificate.
Alright, and I have two here for celebration.
He's gonna be
We would like to thank all our parents, but we have two parents who have been volunteering throughout the whole year. They have given us the support. Whenever we need something and we're backed up in their classroom, they're like, Miss Delgado, I'm present, here we are. Miss Amaro, I'm present, here we are. And this is just a little something from Miss Amaro and myself. So, you can introduce.
Miss Marvel. This is Marvel.
So this one is for Cynthia Gonzalez. She was the one packing them, sorting them, you know, doing lots of things for us. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I have one more special little item to give in. All my kids are special, but there's always somebody that attaches to your leg and won't let you go. And when I was doing these amazing pictures for you guys, that child came up to me and told me,
Riley.
Miss Delgado, I want a picture of you to take home.
Riley. Riley, you said that.
So I said, I'm sorry. So I said, don't worry, Miss Delgado. We'll print you out a picture, and Miss Delgado will have you take it with you. And the poem says, it was a pleasure to be your teacher. Thank you for letting me part of your daily cheer. You asked me for a picture and I printed it for you here. I hope you keep it safe and that it never disappear. Always believe in yourself. Say I can do it. Remember that the sky is the limit. Remember always that when you need a teacher or maybe a friend, Miss Delgado will always be here. So this is from Alec. So Malik, he was like, I need a picture of you. So Malik, that's your picture that you asked for. It's time to say goodbye to my friends. It is time to say goodbye to my friends. It is time to say goodbye, goodbye, my friends. It's time to say goodbye to my friends.
So we just got home from his graduation, and well, as you guys saw, he got a few little awards, but he was being so shy. He didn't want to get up, say his name. He was crying, and at the end, the teachers were telling me that he was actually, like in the rehearsal, that he was actually, like practicing saying his name and everything. I don't know. I guess the pressure of like seeing too many parents or something like scared him or something, got him shy. But I guess these are some of the things that he got. So they gave him this. I don't know. What the heck? He looks like extra chunky there, but he's not even chunky. So it's like all his friends here, and him, and it's just like a little picture with a poem in Spanish, and then he got a little Math Whiz award, and this was just something that the teachers made themselves, and he got this one. And then this one, for completing kindergarten and stuff like that. And then they also gave him this. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's like, I think, all the letters that he went through this year. And they also gave him this, an activity calendar. I'm not going to bore you guys with the details. Just like more for me. And he also got back a folder that they had us send out, like when he started. And I guess it's just like with a bunch of like artwork and stuff like that, or paperwork or something for, like things that he did and all that. So I'll check that out later on. And then to my surprise, I got an award, like a volunteering award. And it was just two of us, two moms. And, I'm grateful to the teachers for giving me this. This was unexpected. It's really cute. I love it. And this was, just like asking them if they needed things or to come out and help out and stuff like that. Because I know it's a bunch of little kids and everything. They don't get that much help. So, I would volunteer to do that. And also this cute painting that they did with like all the names of the kids on it and stuff like that. And then this book, that his grandma from daddy's side got him. And this was an idea that I had for him. I had seen it somewhere, so yeah, I copied it. It's from the Dr. Seuss book, All the Places You'll Go. And this is for like every teacher that he felt like had an impact on him, for them to sign it from now until 12th grade. So these two teachers definitely had an impact on them. He was always talking about them, how nice they were and stuff like that. So I had both of them sign it and stuff like that. And then from kindergarten and on, we'll see if there's like any other teachers or stuff like that that have like an impact on his life. I forgot about these, los recuerditos that the teacher made. And then there was these what are they called? I still can't figure out the name in English. These little recuerdos. Favors. These little favors. There we go. Like for something for them to remember. The teacher asked us to bring in baby jars, and I brought in like about 4. And it's his name on it, and with like some little colorful blue sand in there and like little letters and stuff like that. And then these were the ones that my mom had made. And we gave one to each of the kids and stuff like that. And then the kids that go in the afternoon, they're getting theirs. So that's why I didn't record it, because I was like handing them out and stuff like that. So there's like candy in there, chocolate, and then we added like the little touch of this right here. And yeah, this is really cute. Thank you, ma'am. So yeah, it was a fun day, you guys. I'm very happy with my little baby. I'm proud of him. I really like this one. This one's cute. I wasn't expecting that one. But yeah, you guys, we had fun. I didn't really expect for him to be so shy, as to not like participate and stuff, but that's okay. How do you feel finishing pre-K?
Good.
Good?
And I'm playing the sports resort.
Yeah. Congratulations, baby.
Okay, let's record playing this game.
Wait. I'm trying to tell you something. I'm proud of you, baby.
Why?
Because you finished pre-K.
Now
Now you're going to kindergarten.
Tomorrow?
No, in August.
I don't have school tomorrow.
You have school tomorrow and Thursday. But after that, that's it. You're finished until August.
So let's play.
Okay. Besito. I love you.
I love you. Okay, so let's go.
Resorts.
Yeah. Right, here we go. Oh yeah!
Nice. Good job.
Oh, we just got 2 points.
Nice.
That was 2 points.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this.
Oh my god, this lighting is
Look at
horrible.
this. Oh yeah! I got it from him.
Nice, baby. Good job.
All right. Oh yeah! Oh! No 4 points.
Nice, babe. Awesome. But that is it for this
Oh,
video,
no!
guys. It was just for my
Come
son's
on.
graduation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I certainly did. I'm proud of him, and I love him so much. And I can't wait for him to start kindergarten soon in August. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.